Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, in the last video I told you guys I made some extra money in trucking, and in the last 2 years alone I made $68,000. Yes, $68,000 just from one hustle, which is super easy and anyone can do. You guys can easily make much more money than me too, and I will give you guys the entire details on how you can make this money. Just stay tuned to the end of the video. Make sure you guys go down, drop a like, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So in this video, you guys see me using a power jack. I actually purchased this power jack 2 years ago for $2,000, and since then till now, I have billed to the customer more than $68,000 for every shipment and every pallet I charge them. This saves me from the 3 to 4 hours of waiting in my truck. I just go and get it done in like 30 minutes. It's honestly like a win-win situation. And a very important detail you guys need to remember is wherever a receiver requires a lumper, that is the only places the customer will pay you. So keep that in mind, and I think everyone should go and give it a try. If anyone has any questions, feel free to comment down below, and make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you guys like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.